wants a real joint drinking? Anybody wants a real joint drinking? Make some noise! Let's go!
My man claims that me walk on them. Me no love chat, but
We
me
better
a
take
want
you
them.
on to
Tell them
Jamaica.
this a real Shenseea and them.
Oh,
Them a man
I'm singing it live!
And yes, that was the entry that had the Sheng Yang boss trending all weekend. The snippet was posted on her official Instagram account and hit nearly 1 million views in under 2 days. Shenseea quieting all speculations of a disturbance in the Romeich camp when her former manager, now road manager Romeich, made an appearance at her historic set, the fitting reveal to the international market. Shenseea performed some of her local favorites, including Blessed, and had a Caribbean dance routine to Rihanna and Sean Paul, ending with her latest controversial new single, Run Run, which is currently trending #1 on YouTube. Shenseea was also joined on stage by her Romeich Entertainment label mate Ding Dong, who performed his dance hits, and Taurus Riley joined her for their 2020 summer anthem, Lighter. Rolling Loud Miami is Shenseea's first official main stage performance since announcing her new management recently. A grateful Shenseea performed on night 1 with the likes of City Girls, Bobby Shmurda, Playboy Carti, Lil Baby, and ASAP Rocky. She also shared with her fans that this was the first time a Jamaican was added to the lineup and hailed it as the beginning of her journey. I'm Daedra reporting for ePrime.